up, food lovers? Welcome to Tony's Kitchen. I am Tony Tutan, and today we're making Cajun crab stuffed shrimp. Yes, you got that right. It sounds so good, huh? Yes, it's gonna be delicious. So here I have extra large shrimp, 16 to 20 count. You can get this at your local grocery store. We're gonna peel it and make it into a butterfly shrimp. And then I have here two type of crab meat. This is the finger and this is the lump. You can also use imitation crab or any type of crabs that you have. And then also I have the oven preheated at 400 degrees. We're gonna bake it to 10 to 12 minutes, and then we're gonna broil and make it crispy on top. Then we're gonna throw some butter garlic on top. So if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go! So here you go, guys. This is all the ingredients. First, we're gonna beat up the egg. One egg. Give it a little beating. This will keep all the crab meat together. Okay. Then, cream cheese. Mayo. Mustard. We got lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Tony Chachere Creole seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, whatever you say it, however you say it, and celery. Give it a little mix. Okay, here goes the crab. Then you just want to toss it. You don't want to mix it up. You want big chunks of it. Toss it around. There you go, guys. Now we'll put this on the side. Let's start on the shrimp. So with these shrimp, it's already, it's still alive, jumping. With these shrimps, already been deveined. What you need to just do is just take off the skin. You want to leave the tail on. Take off the skin, and then I'm gonna split it down a little bit more. You want to let the shrimp like this. Just like that. So slit just a little bit more and let the shrimp sit. See, guys? Easy. Now we'll set this aside. Let's start stuffing it. First we'll get the pan. Get some Pam. Grease it up. Here we go, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Now we bake it. Take it to the oven, 400 degrees. Pop into the oven. timer. In the meantime, we're gonna melt some butter. Now we add the garlic. Give it a little stir. Go guys, it's about to be finished. So after the time is over, look at this beauty. Ready to take it out. Here we go guys, the final product. Man, smells delicious. I can't wait to chow down on these bad boys. Let me get this piece right here. So good. A crunchiness of the garlic, butter, and then the fresh crab meat. So good. Creamy also. Very, very delicious. You have to try these bad boys out. So if you like the recipe guys, make sure you smash the like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time, all right? Bye. I gotta pop these more.